Now class, this is third C. Class third C. Subject GSC and date is 10/10/2020. So we are studying today. We are going to start a new lesson. That is lesson 14. Lesson 14. Changing weather. Changing weather. Changing weather. So, lesson 14, changing weather. So, first we have to study pre-reading questions. 3 pictures are given in our book. See page number 75. Some pictures are given in your book. So look at the pictures and identify the weather of the place shown. It is given. Look at the pictures and identify the weather of the place shown. So diagram is given. In one diagram you see that having desert and camel is there. So you can find this diagram represent the weather of Rajasthan. And other picture you see, this is a coastal area. This is a coastal area. So in coastal area, that may be near the seashores, that may be of the Maharashtra, Kerala, etc. Any state may be there. Another diagram, you see, this is the diagram of hilly area. Hills are shown here. So this is the diagram of the hilly area. How many seasons are there? What causes the change in the seasons? What causes the change in the season? We are going to study these things here. To explain the concept of seasons and weathers and weather conditions and regions behind it. So what is aim? What is aim to study this lesson? So the aim of studying this lesson to explain the concept of explain the concept of seasons and weather. Seasons and weather. Seasons and weather conditions and region behind it. And region behind it. That is our aim to study this lesson. Once again, to explain the concept of seasons and weather, to explain the concept of seasons and weather conditions and the region behind it. So, the weather is all around us all the time. The weather is all around us all the time. It is an important part of our lives and on which we have no control. We have no control on the weather. Weather may be change. This may be periodically change. Instead, the weather often controls how and where we live, what we do, and what we wear and what we eat. It is controlled by the weather. If cloudy weather is there, if temperature is very low, then we have to wear woolen clothes. If there is very hot, so that time we have to wear the light cotton clothes. What makes the weather? What makes the weather? Weather is the day-to-day condition of air of a particular place. So weather is the day-to-day condition of air of a particular place. It depends on the sun, wind, clouds and the rain. So weather is a day-to-day condition of air, a particular area. Suppose in the Basti there is cloudy weather, rain occurs, and in the other district, in the other regions, there will be no rainy season. There is no rainy season, no rainy weather, no rain is there. So in this way, weather is the day-to-day condition of air of a particular place. It depends on sun, wind, clouds and rain. So first we have to study about the sun. Sun plays a very important role. Sun play a very important role in the weather. Change in the weather. So the sun plays a big role in the change of weather. The sun plays a big role in the change of weather. The sun heats the air, the land and the water. Bright sunny days are hot. Bright sunny days are hot. It is cooler during the morning and evening because the sun's rays are slanting. At noon, it is hot because the sun is overhead and its rays fall straight. Nights are cooler than days. Nights are cooler than days. During the course of a single day, the weather changes several times. during a day. Weather may be changed various time. So we have to studying about the sun. Once again, the sun plays a big role in the change of the weather. The sun heats the air, the land, and the water. Bright, bright sunny days are hot. It is cooler during the mornings and evenings because the sun's rays are slanting. At noon, it is that suppose this is the earth. This is earth. We are here. We are here. So during the morning time and evening time, sun rays are moving in this way. And evening time also having such type of the, but during the noon they comes straight toward the head. So morning time and the evening time little less temperature or low temperature, while during noon there is the high temperature because during the noon the rays are straight, while during morning and evening the rays are the slanting. So this is the less effective and this is more effective. At noon it is hot because the sun is the overhead and its rays fall straight. Nights are cooler than days. During the course of a single day, the weather changes several times.